Good morning, children. Let's see today's thought. Swadeshat nasti param kinchit, which means that no one is better than Swadeshat. That means than our own country. Children, we will start a new lesson today, which is given on page number 38 of your textbook. Ashwasya Swaministha means devotion of a horse to his master. Now, Madhyana Samaya, this lesson is about King Rana Pratap and his dutiful or devotional horse whose name was Chetak. Madhyana Samaya means there is an afternoon time. Sarvatra Niravata means silence. There was silence everywhere. Margah api nirmanushyah. Margah means road or path. Api also nirmanushyah, without any person. The road was also without any person. Tada eva kopi ashvah marge dhavati. Then only kope means some ashvah or one horse. Ashva means horse. Marge on the way. Dhavati means runs. Then only one horse was running or runs on the way. Tasya ekah padah vranitah. Tasya means his. His means who's here? Of the horse. His one leg. Padah means leg. Ekah means one. His one leg was vranitah means wounded. Sah kashtena vedanam sahate. Sah means he. He means here we are talking about a horse. Kashtena with pen. Vedanam. Sahate. Sahate means bearing. He was bearing a pen with difficulty. Tathapi tribhihi padaihi yatha katham api sah dhavati. Tathapi means but still. Tribhihi padaihi, tribhi means three. With three legs, yatha katham api. Yatha katham api means as possible or somehow he was running. Sah dhavati. Though his one leg was wounded, but still he somehow make it possible to run with three legs. Tasya prushthe upavishtah asti tasya swami. Tasya prushthe means on his back. Upavishtah asti means was sitting. Tasya his swami or his master. His master was sitting on his back. Tasya swami shastra praharaihi vranitah. His swami or his master was injured. Vranitah means injured or wounded due to the attack. Prahara means attack. Aviratam dhavanena ashvah ativa shrantah jayate. Aviratam dhavanena means due to continuous running. He was running continuously with his three legs. That's why that horse ativa shrantah. Shranta means tired. Ativa means very. Jayate means becomes. That's why that horse becomes very tired, or he was very tired. Sah vegena dhavitum asamarthah bhavati. Sah means he. Vegena means past. Dhavitum to run or for running. Asamarthah unable, and bhavati means was or is. He is unable to run fast. Atah mandam dhavitum prarabhate. Therefore, atah means therefore or so. Mandam means slowly. Dhavitum prarabhate. Prarabhate means starts, and so starts running slowly. Param नैव विरमति सः, but param means but, na eva viramati, viramati means stops, and saha means he, but he does not stop. Means though he was tired, though his one leg was injured, but his Swami was also, or his master was also injured. That's why he starts running. He was not able to run fast. That's why he starts running slowly, or he starts going slowly with the help of his 3 legs. अधुना ग्रामः समीपे एव, तत्र स्वामिनं नयामि संरक्षामि च, परं मार्गे विस्तीर्णः जलप्रवाहः, अधुना किं करणीयम् इति चिन्तयति अश्वः. इति चिन्तयति अश्वः means thought the horse. अधुना ग्रामः समीपे एव, now village is near or nearer. तत्र स्वामिनं नयामि, there, tatra means there, स्वामिनं नयामि, I bring my master there. संरक्षामि च, and protect him. Param, but marge, in the way, vistirnah jalapravaha. Vistirna means very wide. Jalapravaha means a flow of water or water flow. Adhuna, now, kim karaniyam, now what should be done? Iti chintayati ashvaha, thought the horse. Because his one leg was wounded, injured, he was walking or running with his remaining 3 legs. His master was injured due to attack, and he wants to keep his master safe. That's why he thought that there is a village coming nearer. That's why I can bring my Swami or my master there, and I can protect him. But in the way there was a wide water flow. So what should I do? Kshinah vranitah cha ashvah tam ullangayitum asamarthah. Kshinah means tired. He was very tired because he already was injured and still he was running. Vranitah means wounded or injured. So, cha means and, ashvah means horse, tam means that, ullangayitum means cross, asamartah unable. Tired and injured horse, that horse who was tired and injured was unable to cross the water flow or that. Kintu samayah alpah, but samayah means time, alpah means less, but he don't have so much time, he has less time. That's why katham api pranan aviganaya sah jalapravaham ullangayati, but pranan means life, aviganaya means without thinking, saha he, jalapravaham means flow, and ullangayati means crosses. But without thinking, katham api means but without thinking of his life, he crosses the water flow. Aparam tiram gatva bhumau patati. Aparam tiram means on the another bank of that water flow. Gatva means after going to the another bank, bhumau patati, he falls on the land. He crosses the water flow to save his master and to keep him safe also, or to protect him, and he falls. Next part we will see in next period.